On the workbench today, we have the Awanfi battery backup. So this is a 300 watt hour battery backup. And now that's what's interesting about this is I have a backup generator for the house, right? So I have a gasoline generator that we can use in emergencies. And I thought about like, man, I'd really like to be able to use this also for, hey, if I'm out at an RC event or something along those lines and I need to be able to charge batteries or something like that, you know, I'd love to be able to use that. The problem was I got the one that's like 60 pounds and it's really, really stupid heavy. And so it's really not very conducive to actually bringing it along. It takes up a whole bunch of space, all this kind of stuff. So I saw this battery charger and I'm like, you know what? That might exactly do what I need it to do. So you can see out here on the top, it has a input and an output wattage of what's going in and out. You can see how much of the battery life is currently left, and it's at, and I don't know why it has a frequency on it. But it comes with two standard AC outlets. It comes, I don't know what a PD30W is, but it comes with 3 different USBs. It comes with a DC outlet, and it comes with a couple different ways. It has a charging, this is the regular charging port. It has another one here that you can use off of a regular generator. Handy carrying handles on the top. Honestly, it's pretty dang nice. So what I've done here is something that this is what I would typically need in the field is I want one, it actually adapts even a 2-prong or a 3-prong plug for AC. So I have actually my charger plugged in here. You can see charger is on, and I am going to charge up a 4S battery. It is clearly charging the battery, and you can see now it is outputting over 120 watts in order to run this big charger that I have. That's awesome. I also at the exact same time have, so here, let me stop this. I also at the exact same time have my USB plugged in to charge my GoPro batteries. This is what I would need, right? If I'm gonna spend overnight at a place, if I'm gonna do something along those lines, check this thing out, man. That is so much handier than having a full gasoline generator. And with a 300 watt hour, I think it'll last a while. It has a light. You can actually turn this on. You can turn this light on. All this kind of stuff. It goes into all the different kinds of flashy modes before you turn it off. I'm thinking this thing could be pretty cool. So anyway, hey, heads up, this is out there. I think this could be a pretty interesting thing. I think it could be used like this for me. So anyway, this is heads up for you guys. I can put a link down below to where I got it from. I think it was right at $200. So hey, check it out. Maybe it's useful for you. I think I'm going to be taking it to events like when we go out to Big Buddha's RC Ranch and I need to be able to charge up stuff. Usually I don't run out of RC batteries when I'm out there. I usually run out of GoPro batteries when I'm out there. So this thing will easily, I mean, look at this. Look how small that is. It'll easily sit in the back of the van, be able to charge up anything that I want it to charge up. Multiple things. We can hit the cell phones off of it. We can hit everything like that. Like, I think this is going to be pretty helpful for us. So anyway, I hope this was good. Let me know down below if you think this is interesting for you. I always appreciate the feedback, as this kind of stuff, it's not specific RC, but it's RC related. I'm going to be using it to help me do RC and YouTube stuff. So hey, maybe it'll be good for you too. All right. Talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Goodbye.